Hello, I'm from Ideas for You Shop channel, and today I have a question for you. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to regain the energy and vitality you had years ago? Are you frustrated by your lack of performance in bed? It certainly affects your self-confidence, and therefore your relationship. Imperio's Vigor Tonic, the natural formula that supports men's virility and libido, is a real revolution for anyone looking to improve male health in a natural and effective way. Imagine having the ability to feel revitalized, with the energy and disposition to face everyday life, and still enjoy intimate moments with confidence and vigor. Imperio's Vigor Tonic is not just another product on the market. It combines a careful selection of natural ingredients such as Dodder Seed, wild yam, and sustanche, all known for their benefits to men's health. What sets Imperio's Vigor Tonic apart from other products was that it not only promotes increased libido and virility, but also works internally to support sexual function and general health. Once you start using it, you notice a significant improvement in energy and performance. There is no doubt that this supplement is a powerful ally for any man wishing to revitalize his health and well-being. It is a patented blend of plants and minerals designed to improve intimacy, carefully crafted and blended to complement each other. Inside every capsule of Emperor's Vigor Tonic you'll find Dodder Seed, known for its aphrodisiac properties and ability to support kidney function and male sexual health. Wild yam, traditionally used to balance hormones and promote general well-being, especially to improve libido. Rimani radix helps strengthen the kidneys and liver, as well as promoting the body's vitality and general energy. Cnidium Monnieri, it improves blood circulation and supports sexual function, and is often used to increase libido and improve erectile function. Euchomia ulmoides, known for its toning properties that strengthen bones and muscles, as well as supporting kidney and adrenal health, among others. Imperio's Vigor Tonic is backed by strict health and quality standards that guarantee its superior efficacy and safety. Made in the United States, it is produced in facilities certified by the FDA Food and Drug Administration, ensuring that each capsule is manufactured following the strictest safety and hygiene guidelines. It is also certified as free from genetically modified organisms, GMO-free, ensuring that only high-quality, natural ingredients are used in its formula. Obtaining GMP Good Manufacturing Practice certification confirms the commitment to excellence in production, ensuring that each stage of the manufacturing process is carried out with precision and care to guarantee the maximum purity and effectiveness of the product. By choosing Imperio's Vigor Tonic, you are not only investing in your sexual health, but also opting for a reliable product that complies with the highest standards in the supplement industry. The health and satisfaction of your customers is priority number one. Imperio's Vigor Tonic offers various purchase options to meet customers' needs, accompanied by 2 special bonus ebooks to free shipping. In addition, offers its customers a 60-day money-back guarantee to ensure satisfaction and confidence in the purchase of the product. If you are not completely satisfied with the results, you can contact customer service and receive a full refund of the amount paid. Imperio's Vigor Tonic is committed to offering a quality product and guaranteeing the best possible experience for its customers. If you're ready to regain control of your male health and reinvigorate your intimate life, don't wait any longer. Try Imperio's Vigor Tonic today and discover the benefits for yourself. Click on the link below to take advantage of the exclusive offers and secure your purchase. Don't let the opportunity pass you by. Your health deserves this attention. I really hope this video has helped you, and if you want to receive more content like this, I invite you to subscribe here on this channel. Ideas for You Shop. Thank you for watching this video. See you later.